What is up, people? This is Kamle, your sneaker guy. And guys, yes, today I am very hyped because I'm going to share a New Balance pair which is under 3000 rupees. Like, that is a gem in itself. They provide great quality, great comfort, great looks now, so everything great and under 3000 rupees. That is unbelievable in itself. So I am very much excited to share this pair with you guys, and I want to unbox it as soon as possible to show you guys. So without wasting any of the time, let's start. What is up, people? This is Kamle, your sneaker guy. And guys, yes, today we are unboxing a very beautiful New Balance pair, and here we go. This is New Balance 720, a very beautiful New Balance sneaker in this very beautiful and bold green colorway. This is a very lightweight sneaker with this full nylon canvas upper with hints of suede on the toe guard, back heel and on the lace eyelets. You also get to see a very beautiful gum bottom on this, and that is one of my favorite part on this pair. This is a very lightweight sneaker, looks very interesting, can be a great everyday sneaker for your college or for office. I know this is a green colorway, not everyone will like to have a green sneaker on the feet every day, but trust me, you can really wear this sneaker every day because this green is not that bright bold green, but still it is a green, I understand, and you will have to like try a little bit to match this sneaker with your outfit, but it is a great sneaker, man. Like, you can wear this occasionally as well. If you want to get this sneaker, you can wear it like twice a week, thrice a week or something like that, and this can be a very beautiful pair in your sneaker rotation. And it is a very interesting silhouette. Just look at that, like how beautiful that is. I just love this. The white sock liner, the white tongue, white laces, white New Balance logo on the side panel and white midsole on this pair adds a very interesting contrast to this all upper green sneaker, and that is what I loved about this pair. They have also played very well with the shades of green. They have a darker shade of green and a lighter shade of green on the same sneaker, and that makes this sneaker very beautiful and adds a very interesting character to it. Do let me know what you guys think about this specific pair, because I have definitely loved it. Like, under 3000 rupees, this can be a great pair in your rotation. Like, if you want to make a great sneaker rotation under a good budget, this can be a great contender for that. Yes, this sneaker fits true to size, great in comfort, because this sneaker has ortholite insole. You can just have a look at that. It also has some holes in them, like if you can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know for what reason, but maybe for the smell or something like that. It won't contain your smell or something like that. I don't know the reason. If you know, do let me know what is the reason here. But yes, for the first time I have seen that insole has holes in them. But yes, this sneaker also fits true to size. I am a UK 8 guy. This sneaker is UK 8 and fits me very well. You also have different color options in them, and they are beautiful as well. I'll link each and every one in the description. You can go and check it out right now. And now, finally, talking about the price on this pair. I got this pair for 2940 rupees. Like, I was not expecting this sneaker at this price point. I got it. I have linked it in the description. I really want you guys to check them out. Like, if you like this pair, don't miss the chance. Go right now and check it out. And if you liked this video, I believe you guys will love this video as well. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.